Okay, so this is my pre-lab for 351 lab 1. First, I have the truth table for the 2-to-1 multiplexer, which just lists all the possible cases. In here, I have the intermediate steps in blue, and then what the final output would be in this yellow column. So that's the truth table for that. And then in circuit lab, I have the logic gates. So this is an AND gate. We can see when both outputs are, or when both inputs are high, the output is high. If I make one of them low, the output becomes low. Same thing if I switch this one back to high and make this input low, the output is still low. And then obviously if I make both of them low, the output is low. So then I have a NOT gate. When the input is low, the output is high, and when the input is high, output is low. And then lastly, the OR gate. So right now both inputs are high, so the output is high. If I switch one of them to low, the output will still be high. Same thing if I make this one high and this one low, the output is still high, and then if I make both of them low, the output will be low. Okay, and then I have the 2-to-1 multiplexer wired up in Tinkercad. So I'm just going to start the simulation, and we can see this LED lights up. Stop the simulation, and then I'm going to prove the truth table for my circuit. So I'm just going to do a couple. We can see that when A and B are both 0, the LED should not light up because the output will be 0. So I'm going to move those to ground. And then when we start the simulation, LED doesn't light up. Stop simulation, another example. When A is 0, but both B and S are 1, then the LED will light up because the output will be 1. So A stays at 0, B is 1, and then start simulation, LED lights up. And then I have, for number 5, just the 4-to-1 multiplexer using 2-to-1 multiplexers, and just an LED wired up to each output. So yeah, that's it for the pre-lab. Okay, and then here's my circuit in real time with all the chips with the color mark like facing upwards, and the resistor, which is orange, orange, brown for 330 ohms. And then I'm just gonna demonstrate really quick the different cases. So right now they're all plugged in to, they're all high, so all the inputs are high, so the LED is lit up. And if I change A to be plugged into ground, the LED should still be lit up, so that's this yellow wire here. I'm gonna unplug that from the power source and put it into ground. It's still lit up, but if I plug B into ground as well, then the LED should turn off. So yeah. Here you can see I have my selector on high, so the LED is flashing slowly. But if I unplug that and plug it into ground, the LED starts flashing faster.